All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are looking at Luna Classic here. So we're on the daily chart on Luna Classic. Just ignore these lines in the middle. These are on smaller time frames where we had some bear flags form and the price dropped, as you can clearly see there. But we're on the daily looking at the falling wedge pattern. So this thing is almost 3 months old, so it's getting primed and ready to make its move. These things usually form within 3 to 6 months. So almost 3 months old on Luna Classic here. So I don't think it's going to break out yet, but the price you do want to watch is the 236 up here at 186. If we get above 186 and then back test for that confirmation, that would be your entry point to get in for a long. We'll go over the measured move target price here in just a second. Um, but I'm thinking we may have another month or so to play this thing out. You know, we might come down here, come all the way back down here to 3013 for a move kind of like this, and then move higher. So it just depends when we break out of this thing. But like I said, you want to watch until you have confirmation to get in on your position. Of course, you could always, draw this pattern yourself, and some good dollar cost averaging prices would have been every time this thing comes back down and touches the bottom of this wedge here. So if we come down again, we'll just measure this really quick. If it's not time to break out quite yet, you're looking at another 20, 23, 24, depending on how far we go in the wedge. You're looking at some better prices to get in. But if you're looking to play this the patient way, the right way, you'll wait for this thing to break out above 186 and then have a candle spawn in and retest this trend line here, and then it'll move higher. Maybe even wait one or two candles before it moves higher, just depending on how the breakout goes. Right now, you can see it's holding support on the moving average here. So we'll see how this thing actually plays out. So let's do our measured move really quick here. I'm gonna have to move the chart a little bit. So depending on when it breaks out, take our little measured move, and we'll see how high this thing's going to actually take us, depending on where we break out, of course. So it looks like it's about the 786 area. So we're looking at 4.2 on Luna Classic here, which if we break over 3.3 up here, I think that's going to be your price to beat, and then Luna Classic is going to go to the moon. So if this actually does play out, this may be the play that sends Luna Classic to the moon that everybody's been waiting for. So from where we are right now, if we break out soon to get up here to 4.2, that's 140%. If we make it only up to the 1618 at 3.3, you're looking at about an 86% move on Luna Classic. So just kind of watch these prices here if it does in fact break out. But the whole point of this video is just to show you that we are in a falling wedge pattern. It's about 3 months old. So at some point, Luna Classic is going to break to the upside. This is a bullish continuation pattern. We just got to wait for it to play out, though. So the price you want to watch to the upside is 186. We break above that, more likely than not, the falling wedge is playing out. If we come back down here, we need to hold 13. As long as we hold 13, I would say the wedge is still in play and Luna Classic's actually still alive. At any point, if you lose 1.3, you can see that it's pretty much the bottom for Luna Classic, and we'll have to look at lower price targets. But as of now, it looks good in my opinion. So we'll see when it actually breaks out. So watch 186 for a move higher on Luna Classic, and watch 1.3 to hold as a bottom. So with that being said, not financial advice. Hopefully you guys get something out of these videos. If you do, like and subscribe to the channel, like the videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Not financial advice. Peace out.